license plate on the side of the road here.
This thing is sweet. What is happening, you guys? Justin here, back at it again with another Q Life scrap vlog video. Had another backpack laying around. It's my brother's old one, but I needed a backpack because mine broke and he doesn't use this one at all. This is like one of his old ones. So we're going to find some scrap today in a spot that I have not found anything yet. Like I said, I haven't searched it. We haven't searched this side down, so we're gonna go this way. So, to save battery, we're gonna turn off the bike and walk. I'm gonna put my gloves on here. And the scrap hunt begins. Got the wrong one. That one was inside out for some reason. I must have put it on and took it off. So far, we've got a bolt. We'll just hold on to it. Another one. That's a pretty big one there. Alright, let's get our bag open here. Putting the bike somewhere would be a good idea, but people might try and take it, so I'm not going to do that. Just like this will be good. That. It's a nickel. Nice. Keep that in our pocket here. It's on my back. It's alright. Alright. Let's wait for this car. Once this car goes, we'll pick her up. Got a wheel weight and a bolt. Very common. The wheel weight's very common. Make sure they're not turning. Alright. That's plastic. We got like a little, looks like a hitch pin maybe. And we got something here. Well, let's wait for this car. Keep an eye on them. Alright. I don't know what this is to, but it's metal. Almost thought it was a bullet casing, but it's not. Plastic reflector. Nothing. Plastic. That truck sounds pretty good. Oh yeah. I think it sounds good. Alright, let's make sure nobody's coming. We got a little bolt right here. Pretty nice. It's a big one. Snapped off. Everything sounds so damn good. I've got the mucks on today. I didn't really need to wear the mucks, but we're in the tall grass here, so I was like, might as well. Let's let this car go, and then I'll grab it. I'm not trying to step out in front of cars. I'm not stupid like that. A fogo means a fire. There's a lug nut. It's a spline lug nut. And I got plastic. Oh, that sounds good. Woohoo! Oh, here's another lug nut. This is just a normal acorn nut. Acorn lug. I'm gonna need to find a different setup for my bag, but it works for now. So yeah, it takes a little longer, but this makes it fun and interesting for me as well. For me and you guys. You take that down in there. It's a vape. Alright, let's wait for them. Make sure they're not turning. Yeah, they're also turning, so we'll wait. We got a little nail there. Hopefully we find something big at some point, and then I'll come grab it in the truck or something, put it somewhere where I can stop and grab it, like in a safe location I can pull off and grab it. Here we go. Here's something a little bigger that will fit in the bag. There we go. Alright, now here's where it gets easy for me to ride. Now, for the bag, I have an idea. Will it work like this? I wonder if... Scoot up a little bit. I wonder if a bag, or the bag can sit like this, right here. And I tie it off. Can I tie it like that? I mean, it works for now. It'll be a little lopsided, but I guess that could work. Yeah, let's tie it up here. There we go. That'll work for now. Nothing. There's a chainsaw chain, what it looks like. That's metal. Another bolt. metal here. More metal. Nice. I don't know what that's to. Like a e-cig or something, but it's metal. And we got a nice bullet. Oh, that's a big one here. It's a stud. Nice stud. You just coast down the hill. Tiny piece, but it's metal. We got like a Yeti cup. The cup got a little water in it, or hopefully water. I'd like to think it was water from the rain. Here, I'm gonna hand sanitize my grips once I get back, like I did last time, so if I touched anything that I really shouldn't have, we'll be safe once I rinse it off and wash the bike. Also, I haven't ever washed this thing yet. Probably be a good idea to eventually. A Mountain Dew can. Mountain Dew! I could walk up there, but maybe it'll be for another day. I'm sure there's a bunch of cans up there. Alright. I need to take this off. It's getting too awkward. Here, let's do it this way. Maybe. Come on, let's see. Then it'll hit the wheel if I don't hold it up. That's fine. Might be better than the other way I had it. Like that. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's good. Notch that car there. And the semi. Yeah, I was watching that white car there. If you saw that white car, he cut out in front of, or he or she cut out in front of that semi, and I was making sure that semi or that white car didn't want to be a dumbass and come into the median or on this side here. So this is a strap, but there's not much of the strap left. It's just the metal. So we're taking this too. Which adds a little bit of weight. There's some thick pieces of steel on that strap. I'll take a toe strap. There's a shoe in there. Shoe There we go. Alright. Bike's not on right now, but it'll save us battery for the way back. Gotta watch for people coming over. Washer. It's plastic. There's a D-ring on this strap, so taking this too. I'm gonna wait till a safe time to grab that nut, which will be now. Alright, we've got this is what I don't like to find, but we found one. We found a beer can, alcoholic beverage, White Claw. I'm gonna grab it on the other side here. Crush this shit. Alright, there we go. There's a bee. Look at that, it's misery. Shouldn't be crawling like that. Its wing was broken or something. It's a tire. First I thought it was metal, but it was a piece to a tire. A lot of nails. The bag will be ripped by the time I pull it out, but it's alright. Here's a bigger piece. Yeah. Hopefully there's not too many ants or bugs on these pieces of metal that'll crawl out and crawl onto me or anything, but I don't really care. I just check myself when I get home. A broken zip tie. Nothing on the bridge there. Plastic. Piece of mulch. We got something there. Plastic. There's a dime though. There's a dime. The reflector, plastic. Neat. Metal. I got Facebook again, so Marketplace will come in handy. Managed to get it back. For scrap. We'll have to do like find some scrap on Marketplace again. We're really weighing down now. Another bottle cap. Sucks when you think there's metal, but it's plastic. It's like one of those weird batteries. Plastic and glass. There's something back there. Yeah. Something down in there, but unfortunately I can't grab it because it's too far down. But there's some right here, rusty pieces that you can grab that are right here. Nothing right here, plastic. Beer can. It's completely dry to an extent degree. I don't want it seeping on the bag or anything. It'll be alright. I'm gonna do shit. You're in a banana. Mario! So if I slip on a banana peel. No! They missed it. Let's see if the bus hits it. Oh, I missed it. Somebody hit it, please. No, he didn't run it over. It's too far in the center. They're all going around it. I don't want to pick it up and then throw it back out. Even it's not mine, but I still don't want to because I can get in trouble for that. Alright. It wasn't mine, so I kicked it, and that's not illegal. As long as there's no cars coming, as you saw, there's none, so it was legal because it's just a banana peel. It's not a dangerous object. Now, if I threw like a nail or something out there or kicked a nail, then yeah, that's illegal. But I don't recall there a statute saying I can kick a random banana peel I spotted on the ground out there. And good old Mario Kart. Rusty razor blade. What was that? Or is it? Is it metal? Or is it plastic? It's plastic. That's gay. Yummy piss bottle. Nothing much. What do you do when you find a license plate? Let me look it up. I should probably leave it there. But let me look it up real quick. What do you do when you find a license plate on the side of the road? Let me call non-emergency then, because I want to make sure it's not a stolen tag. Prince William County Non-Emergency Police Department. No, that's not who. Oh, okay. I was trying to call my dad. Alright.
side of the road here. I just wanted to know if you guys, what do you guys want me to do with it if I found it? Do I leave it there, or do I tell you guys, or what do I do? Okay. Do you want me to give you guys the plate number just in case if it's a stolen tag or no? Yeah, it's a Virginia truck tag, and it's 311733. Okay, it's not? Okay, so somebody just lost it? Okay, cool. Cool, I'll come drop it by the police station at some point or something. Alright, take care. Alright, bye. You know what, I'll bring it with me because I've had that happen to me before. So if I found somebody's plate, I don't want it returned to me too, right? It looks like it just broke off of a trailer or something. So we'll throw it in our book bag here, and I'll return it to I'll bring it to the police station. Because bringing it to the DMV doesn't really make any sense. Because if it's somebody's, the police can just look up the plate and then go to the person's house and be like, hey, your plate is right here, you know? So we'll just do it that way. Just want to make sure they don't want to come back as stolen or something. You know what I mean? Is that that's not what I think it is it? I don't want to pick it up. Hold on. It's either a bullet casing or a socket. That's a socket. Okay, that's a socket. Okay. I was like, oh shit. I was like, well, we got a call now. Not a bullet. I guess no bullet. Thankfully that was not a bullet. I did not want to see that. Alright. But yeah, no, I just felt like calling. I don't know what to do. I was like, should I call for this or no? Because it could be a stolen tag. And then I was like, you know, that would be a good idea. Because if it is a stolen tag, you know, sometimes you gotta look at it that way. Like, if you lose something, you'd want it returned to you, right? So I'm gonna bring it to a police station after this. I guess I could bring it to Haymarkets if they're open, instead of driving all the way to the other one. That 4B. What do we call it? Put it out of its misery. That was a broken winged one too, as well. So I've got plenty for today. We'll have to come back and go down that way another day. I'm gonna make a separate vlog and bring that on down to the PD station. I'm trying to think of which station is best. I mean, I called PWC. We'll probably just take it there in my mom's car or something. Maybe. If not, I'll take it to we'll take it to Haymarket. There's a penny. Penny, 2 bolts, washer. Oh, a penny. A lot of pennies, huh? I missed this, didn't I? Alright, you guys. I'm gonna start making my way back now. I'll grab this lug. Head back. Bring that plate to the PD station. I forgot to grab the exact coordinates of where I found it, but I don't think they need that. It didn't come as stolen, so. Dang it. It's alright, we're heading back anyways, and I used the other glove for the most part. Well, I'm glad that it didn't come back as stolen. And I doubt the person would find it there. They probably don't know it's gone. So, you know. I remember, thankfully I grabbed it, but I was, when I used to tow for Vienna Lawnmower when I worked there, the one of the days that I took his trailer on with my truck, someone, I guess what happened was someone hit the part where the plate was mounted, and I didn't know about it. I didn't feel it. I guess we're in traffic and someone smashed into it, and I didn't realize it. And I start pulling off, and I noticed that my plate was hanging on by a thread, and my plate, well, not my plate, his plate, and the plate fell down, and thankfully it was at a stoplight where I could stop and pick it up, and I saw it fall off, and I got lucky. So looks like that's what happened here, was it just fell off of the truck. So stay tuned for that vlog as well. You'll probably even take this thing to it if I wanted to, instead of the car. We'll probably take this to Haymarket real quick. We'll be sure to go inside first and everything, and put on this heavy bag of junk away, and put it in a different bag, and grab a drink or two. Just do a few things. Swap out the battery on this GoPro here, and we'll head on over there. I should need to charge this up. It's got a full charge. So we'll be able to make it and fit back pretty certain to Haymarket PD. I'm gonna call Haymarket when I get home, make sure that they'll take it. Maybe I'll just ride over there. Screw it, I'm sure they'll take it. It says they'll take them. Oh, man. I had to look up their hours though. I mean, they should be open. I know Haymarket's very low staffed. They don't have many police officers compared to Prince William. Prince William, that one's never open either.
easier for me. I don't want to have to drive all the way out there. And driving the DMV would suck too. It's a little closer though, but I don't want to take it to the DMV. Because the DMV is not going to return it to their owner. At least I don't think. I don't think that's what they do. I think that's what the police do. So I'm going to take it to them. Take this load off, swap out the battery, so I have, you know, time for another ride up there and make a separate vlog for it. I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.